Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good day, wherever you are. Welcome to my channel. Today, well, it's spring is finally here in UK, and it's really beautiful. You can see the flowers, you can see the bloom. So, guys, today I thought it'll be a good day for me to share something with you. Someone, if you're suffering from anxiety, depression, stress, you know, it's a practice which I follow in my own life, and it has helped me a great deal. And I really thought that, I'll share it with you as well. Doesn't cost anything, and it's very effective. It's been very effective to me anyway, and so I thought I'll share something with you, and I hope you will benefit it as well. Of course, I'm not an expert, I'm just a student myself, so, but I think it'll be worth sharing because it's a really powerful technique. So stay with me, guys, and I'll take you to my favorite place in where I normally go and spend time, and then I'll share with you this technique. Stay tuned. So I'll just capture this beautiful spring morning. Absolutely wonderful. Let's head back to the woodlands. So, guys, as I was saying earlier, that if you practice this every day, this technique I'm going to show to you, even for 10 minutes every day, I'm sure you'll also benefit the way I have benefited. It's free of charge. There's no charge to it. You can do it anywhere, and it's easy, and it's amazing that we don't even realize it half the time, that that so many things which are available to us, we don't pay attention. So, and all the data, I don't have to tell you these guys, the data is saying that stress is the biggest killer. Tension, anxiety, depression. People have gone through a lot last 2 to 3 years. This was one reason. I've suffered personally through this, so I'm telling you from experience. People don't take mental health seriously, and I'm not an expert. I'm just sharing my experience. I'm not even advising you. This is not a advice of any medical advice or anything, but this is what I'm sharing with you, and how I've benefited. It's up to you. If you feel you want to try it, obviously you have to be sure of your medical conditions, etc., but it's a very simple technique and there's nothing to it. So our yogis, our masters have taught these techniques, and they're given it free of charge. You don't have to go to expensive classes to learn, and otherwise you go to these, there's so many classes and so many shops opened selling the same thing and charging you a huge amount of money. But here I am, I learned it from my masters, from my tradition, and I don't mind sharing it because it's benefited me. So let's find a place and sit down and share with you. It's a beautiful morning today actually, guys. I hope you're enjoying the video. I normally don't come out this early, but I think I will start to come in a bit early. And it's a beautiful fresh air, birds chirping. I'm sure you can hear it in the background. Nature has given us everything, and we must respect the nature. Stay with me, guys. I'm nearly there. Let's find a place in the sun. I normally come here for walks in the evening. It's nice and quiet, and then not many people around, which is a good thing. So let's try it here. Find a spot where I can put the camera. I have to move from the other place. I was getting disturbed by the ducks, but I'm in a different location now. So it's basically, the first step is normally when I do this at home, I would normally do some sort of exercise or stretching, just to warm up first before I start the exercise, my breathing exercise. So if you can do a little bit of gentle stretching before you start your breathing exercise, that's recommended. Sorry, I should have told you that because I'm outside, so it just slipped my mind. So inhale, deep inhale and deep exhale. Try to inhale without making too much of the sound, or gentle sound. And also I would recommend keep a tissue with you in case you need it. So what this does is your lungs starts getting used to the oxygen, and they just get a bit of a warm up. So do about 10. I normally do this around 10 to 15 times. So once I've done that, the second technique I normally follow is that I normally find out which one of my nostrils I'm breathing it through. So you can feel it by putting your palm next to your nostrils and feel which of the nostril is active. So at the moment, my right nostril, I'm breathing through my right nostril. I can feel the air. I can't feel much through my left. So I'm going to block my right nostril and take 10 deep inhales and exhale from my left nostril, and then block my left nostril and then inhale and exhale from my right nostril. you need the tissue. Now through my right nostril. And once I've done this 10 on each side, I will show you the breathing technique after this. So this is just to warm up. So guys, I've done inhale and exhale from both the nostrils. It has to be deep inhale and deep exhale, slowly, softly, and you will feel the difference instantaneously. Obviously, if you're uncomfortable, if you got medical, if I feel uncomfortable or anything, I stop straight away. So if you feel the same, stop straight away. As I said, I'm not an expert. I'm just telling you what I practice, and it has helped me a lot. Now the technique itself, and it's quite easy, and I'm sure you must have heard about this or seen it. It's called the alternate breathing. So I will show you how it works. Just remember, slowly, deeply, gently. Do it for, I normally do it 15 rounds for thrice. So I'll show you one round, and then I'll stop the camera, and then I'll meet you once I've finished my breathing. So here we go. I normally close my right nostril, so put my fingers here and close my right nostril. First, before I start, I will just do few gentle inhale and exhale. On the next exhale, the complete cycle. Spine straight, relax shoulders, smile on your face. So guys, just few things if I forgot to mention already. When you practice alternate breathing, or Anulom Vilom as it is called, make sure you sit in a comfortable position. You can sit cross-legged, you can sit on a chair, whatever is comfortable for you. But please make sure that the spine is straight, the shoulder relaxed, there's a smile on the face. Don't bend your head forward, try to keep it straight. Stop if you feel uncomfortable at any point, and Once you've finished, take few deep breaths after the practice, after the alternate breathing, to your normal breathing, deep inhales and exhale, and then rest for 55 minutes. Just lie down, feel the energy, feel the sensation, become a witness to your thoughts. Don't just become a witness, just feel the sensations and practice for, I would say, at least 15 minutes. And once you've practiced for 15 minutes, as I said, lie down, relax, let your body heal, and feel the sensations and the experience. Please comment below how was your experience. I really appreciate your feedback. There are more steps to these breathing techniques, and I will show you if you are interested, so do let me know. I'm sorry I have to stop the video because I'm really feeling quite relaxed and quite blessed out. May the divine bless you all. Have a good day. Thank you.